Hi there, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist at Tech Travel Geeks, and this is the camera overview of the Nokia 1.3, the affordable Android Go edition smartphone from Nokia. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. Right then, on Saturday we unboxed and provided some first impressions of the Nokia 1.3. It's a very affordable device, which I purchased from the Carphone warehouse for £59 on pay-as-you-go. For that price you get an affordable functional smartphone, but one of the key features of the Nokia 1.3 is that it's the first device to show off the Android Go, or the Android Go edition, new Camera Go app. So this is a camera app made by Google and optimized for low-power devices, such as the Nokia 1.3 and other devices going forward. It's highly likely that we'll be seeing this app turn up on devices such as the Nokia 1 or any other Android Go app that has been released recently. So, I've been taking out the Nokia 1.3 in my pocket as I go for my daily exercise when I leave my apartment. It's lovely weather outside, and it's pretty much perfect lighting conditions. Yesterday we published a video, which is a sample video of the Nokia 1.3's video capabilities, and as you saw, it's not perfect, it's 720 resolution video, and it struggles a bit with changes in lighting. It is perfectly functional. If you're someone like me, you're pretty amazed that a device that's probably the price of a charger of a new phone, especially a flagship one, can take 720 video of this quality. It's not great, it won't replace say SLR or proper camcorder, but it functions. It's good. Now, one of the things that a lot of people have been asking us for is an overview of how the stills performance is. Now, the app in terms of stills is quite clean. It's a clean interface, it works very, very simply. And it takes pretty decent pictures with the 8 megapixel sensor on the back. Now, the automatic setting does not have HDR enabled, as far as I took it out of the box and started using it, and it does a decent job. When I turned HDR on, things slowed down, as in the responsiveness of the app was a bit slower, but it did take much better pictures which were less blown out by areas of strong light. And things like my small tuxedo cat, the little hobo in her little box, look much clearer. There's a lot more definition on her black fur. She is a very good test sample for testing this sort of images. So overall, I'd say pretty good pictures. One thing that flummoxed me was this picture of some orange flowered bush, which gave some distortion in two sides of the image. I don't know if this is a software glitch or if it's a hardware one, but it did take me a bit by surprise. I haven't seen that sort of thing since, 2011. So that's pretty much an overview of the main features of the camera, so standard shots and shots with HDR enabled. One of the key features of the Camera Go app is portrait mode. This is a feature that Google mastered and really showcased in their Pixel devices, which only had one lens, providing portrait mode where everyone else on the market was doing it with at least two lenses. So this Camera Go app brings us portrait mode to the affordable Android Go devices. I'll let you make your judgment for yourself. It's not perfect. Things like my curls in my hair at the back, they get a bit confused in the image, but overall, pretty decent images, and you can also make as much fun as you like of my handlebar moustache. I was trimming my beard today and ran out of battery after I finished my chin, so I'll work on that later in the week. But anyway, back to the Nokia 1.3 camera. I'm pretty impressed. For a device that price, you're getting a pretty decent functional camera Whilst it's not the best, it's a decent one. So for now, that's the end of our overview of the Nokia 1.3 camera that's specifically focusing on the rear camera. If you'd like to see a video looking at the selfie camera, that's the 5 megapixel sensor at the front in the teardrop notch, let us know in the comments to this YouTube video. If you'd like to see a comparison between the Nokia 1.3 and the original gangster Nokia 1, let us know in the comments. You never know, I might even do one comparing the Nokia 1.3 with the Nokia 2.2. Let us know in the comments, and if we get enough interest, we'll definitely do that. But for now, thank you for watching, and if you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. And until the next time, thanks, bye-bye.